Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Sims 4 saves. Super fast and easy, let me show how. First of all, open a browser, and then you just need to write Sims 4 saves, something along these lines. I like to use CurseForge. As you can see here, there is plenty of saves that you can use. So for example, if you want to have this save, you need to just go to Files, download a save, and then once you have a save on your computer, you just need to extract all to desktop. Then once you have this file here, you just need to go to File Explorer, then you just need to go Documents, Electronic Arts, then Sims, then Saves. Then open up that particular slot that you extracted, and then you just need to put that save here. If the numbers is the same and you need to replace something, just rename new save, just delete 3 last numbers and change to other. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. You just need to launch game. And then in game you should see that particular save and you can play. If for some reason it's not working, then you just need to go to game options, then other, then make sure enable custom mods is enabled, and then it should probably work. But if you did everything correctly, like in this video, save should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.